Hey everyone, it's Darren Leffers with the Leffers and Rook Real Estate Group, and today we're in Salmon River in Langley, showcasing our new listing here at 4606 Saddlehorn Crescent. This is 1.77 acres of lush greenery backing onto a creek, and we got a 3-bedroom home with a 2-bedroom suite. Let's go check it out. You've seen everything that this one-of-a-kind property has to offer. If you want to set up a showing, you can reach out to your realtor. You can look us up on Instagram at Leffers and Rook, or give us a call at 604-866-1300. Thank you, everyone.